Presenting the Craftsman C3 19.2 volt 4-piece lithium combo kit. With it, you get the convenience of 4 tools that all work with the same battery. The kit includes a 1/2-inch drill with a 2-speed gearbox, versatile reciprocating saw, circular saw with side-mounted battery for even weight distribution and increased control, and this handy light with 180-degree pivoting head. The battery that powers this kit takes less than an hour to charge, so you'll experience less downtime. This kit includes 2 compact lithium-ion batteries, so you can always have a charged battery on hand. Plus, lithium batteries have fade-free performance and a longer shelf life than NiCad batteries. The tools come neatly packed in this durable bag, making it handy to take from job to job. Get 4 tools wrapped up in one convenient place with the Craftsman C3 19.2 volt 4-piece lithium combo kit. Quality, dependability, trust. That's the kind of quality and performance you can expect from Craftsman.